Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Leisure Time Liquid Spa Up. What is Leisure Time Liquid Spa Up? Liquid Spa Up raises the pH and total alkalinity in spa water. Pour directly into spa water and circulate. Product benefits: raises pH and total alkalinity, increases effectiveness of sanitizer, easy to use spa balancing granular pH down. Usage directions: Step 1. Turn on air blower or filter system. Step 2. Add 1 ounce directly into spa. Step 3. Retest water after 30 minutes. Step 4. Follow steps 1 to 3 until pH and total alkalinity are in the range of 7.2 to 7.8 and 80 to 120 ppm respectively. Dosage: 1 fl/ounce at a time until desired pH level is reached. Useful tip: to lock in the pH from refill to refill, try Leisure Time pH Balance or Leisure Time pH Balance Plus. Thank you. I hope that information helped. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.